Happy Teacher's Day. We thank you so much.
Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Larissa. And Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Janet. Sana po, happy po kayo ngayong araw at tsaka thank you po sa pagtuturo sa amin.
Teacher's Day po. Thank you for teaching us. God bless po. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Janet, Ma'am Larissa. Thank you po sa lahat. You're the best teacher. I love you. Teacher Janet and Teacher Larissa, salamat po sa pagtuturo sa aming lahat. Happy Teacher's Day po. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Janet and Teacher Larissa. Thank you po sa tinuro niyo sa akin. I love you. Mwah. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Larissa and Teacher Janet. God bless you po. Happy Teacher's Day po, Teacher Janet and Teacher Clarissa. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Janet and Teacher Larissa. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Janet and Teacher Larissa. Thank you for teaching us. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Larissa and Mom Janet. Happy Teacher's Day, Mom Janet and Mom Larissa. You're the best teacher in the world. Day, Teacher Janet and Teacher Larissa and all of the teachers in SSD. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day po, Teacher Janet at Teacher Larissa. Salamat po sa pagtuturo niyo po sa amin at pag-aalaga. At sana po lagi po kayo gabayan ni God sa inyong pagtuturo. At sana po lagi po kayong safe at healthy. Bye! Happy Teacher's Day po, Teacher Janet and Teacher Larissa. Thank you po sa pagtuturo niyo sa amin. Madami po kaming natututunan. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Janet and Teacher Larissa. Thank you for being a good teacher to us. I love you both. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Janet and Teacher Larissa. Thank you for teaching us. To the teacher who empowers students with words and wisdom, your lesson inspire with confident voices and creative minds. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Janet and Teacher Larissa. Have a great day. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Janet and Teacher Larissa. Thank you for loving and teaching us. We love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Larissa and Teacher Janet. Thank you po sa lahat ng inituro niyo po. We love you po. Janet and Ma'am Larissa, Happy Teacher's Day po. I love you. God bless you po. Po Teacher Janet and Teacher Larissa. And then thank you din po sa pagtuturo sa amin. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Janet and Teacher Larissa. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Teacher Janet at Teacher Larissa. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Janet. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Janet at Ma'am Larissa.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Janet. Happy Teacher's Day din po, Ma'am Larissa. Ang wish ko po sa inyo, sana po lagi kayong healthy. Tsaka salamat rin po sa pagtuturo niyo sa aming